loading.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I would like to present my assignment for test 3, English for primary school teachers. In this test, I need to explain the map and answer the question provided. Let's begin. First, let's look at the map that shows some important bridges in our town. On the map, I can see several key locations: the National Bank of Indonesia, Ramayana Department Store, Chinese restaurant, public hospital, drugstore, and the railway station. Let me explain them one by one as I answer the questions. Is there any public hospital near here? Where is it? Yes, there is a public hospital near here. It is located on Marta Dinata Street, on the right side of the map. The hospital is next to the drugstore. Where is the National Bank of Indonesia? The National Bank of Indonesia is located on Yosudarso Street. In the upper part of the map, it is positioned close to the Chinese restaurant and Ramayana Department Store. Where is the Ramayana Department Store? The Ramayana Department Store is also located on Yosudarso Street, near the National Bank of Indonesia. It is on the same side at the bank and the Chinese restaurant. Excuse me, are there any restaurant around here? Where is it? Yes, there is a Chinese restaurant located near the National Bank of Indonesia and the Ramayana Department Store. On Yosudarso Street, it is in the upper left area of the map. Can you tell me where the drugstores are, please? Yes, there is a drugstore on the map. It is located on Marta Dinata Street, next to the public hospital. It's in the lower right section of the map. Can you tell me the way to the railway station, please? Of course, the railway station is located on the lower left corner of the map. From the main road, you need to head south on Marta Dinata Street and then turn left to reach the railway station. That's all my explanation for the presentation. I hope this helps you understand the map better. The next video, I would like to share about my hobby, which is cooking. I will also answer some questions related to my hobby. I hope you enjoy this presentation. What is your hobby? My hobby is cooking. I love cooking because it allows me to prepare delicious meals for my family and express my activity through different recipes. Cooking also helps me to make sure that my family eats healthy and tasty food every day. When do you usually do your hobby? I usually cook every day because I am a housewife and preparing meals for my family is part of my daily routine. However, I also love trying new recipes during my free time, especially on weekends or holidays. What do you usually do in your spare time? In my spare time, I like to experiment with new recipes, watch cooking videos for inspiration, and sometimes bake cakes and cookies. I also enjoy decorating the dishes I make to make them love more activity and teasing. Do you do the activity very often? Yes, I do cooking very often because is it not only my hobby but also my daily activity. I cook almost every day to provide meals for my family, and I also love to cook special dishes during family gatherings or celebration. How often do you do the activity in your spare time? I cook almost every day as part of my routine, but in my spare time, I also spend extra time cooking, like trying new recipes or baking something special. On weekends, I usually dedicate more time to cooking because I can be more creative and try different dishes. Where do you usually go for recreation? I usually stay at home to cook, but sometimes I like visit traditional markets or supermarkets to buy fresh ingredients. I also enjoy visiting cooking workshops or joining online cooking communities to share and learn new recipes. When I want to relax, I sometimes go to a cafe with my family to enjoy some snacks and drinks. That's all about my hobby, which is cooking, and my answer to the question. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you enjoy hearing about my hobby. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.